where Davis is. She wants to see her pedigree. And she, again, McDonald, a finalist last year at 200 meters, so she has speed to burn. So I think they just got an indication of how to run the next round if they do match up again.
Yeah, certainly. As we get ready for the fifth heat, there are 8 of them. So we're halfway to the end. 12-12. Britannia Irving of William Nib in lane number 8. Tawaina Marston of Knox in 7. Gabrielle Francis of St. Catherine in lane number 6. Chantilly Brown of Clarendon College will go in 5. Shadora Cameron of St. Andrew High in 4. Delicia Spencer of Holy Childhood in 3. Consoni Guns of Meadowbrook in lane number 2. And Jada Thomas of Glenmuir will go in lane 1. There is Guns of Meadowbrook. She starts in lane number 2. Needs a big run to have a shot at being in the semi-final round of the Class 3 girls 400 meters. Long morning into afternoon of 400 qualifying here at Champs on day number 1, with 100 qualifying to follow, and we'll also have the 400 hurdles to close the opening day. No 2000 steeplechase on the boys side or girls side. Both will be straight finals. We also had the high jump for Class 1 girls and the 1500 Class 1 girls earlier this morning going to straight finals as well. They're on their marks for heat number 5 of the Class 3 girls 400 meters. 2 short to go through, plus the next 8 best on times. Set on their way then, already going out well in lane number 7. Tawaina Marston of Knox College has already flown by Britannia Irving of William Nib. Chantilly Brown of Clarendon College, center of the track, lane number 5. Nice and tall and easy, going pretty well up through 200 meters. Brown of Clarendon College, Tawaina Marston of Knox College, that's the top 2. Gabrielle Francis of St. Catherine trying to get into the conversation as well. This is a big run from Marston in the opening round. Very short and choppy steps, but they're taking her further and further away from Chantilly Brown. This is an impressive opening round performance from Tawaina Marston of Knox. 56.81. That's impressive first round running.
Yeah, impressive indeed, and I think that marks a personal best for her. She was 6th at the Central Championship, well behind Chantilly Brown, who finished in 3rd, but this is a big opening run for her here at Champs. And again, the intention is to qualify, and she did so impressively. And gauging herself, Chantilly Brown coming into this one as one of the favorites to get through. She gets through, but all of the running being done on the outside by Marston of Knox College, and didn't let up at any point in time in the race. At 150 meters in, she's still shuffling down the backstretch. Marston looking good, with Brown behind her trying to keep pace. So too Francis of St. Catherine. And at this point, 200 meters to go, you suspected that Brown, with the pedigree that she would have come back into the fray, but those short choppy strides getting Marston all the way around at 300 meters still didn't relent and managed to come home very, very strongly.
Yeah, I can see the technicians losing it over her form and those strides, but they've worked this morning in qualifying.
And it's here at Championship, it's not how you get it done, it's just that you get it done. And so she's done the job and qualified for the next round.
And she's done it brilliantly.